Last night was the Candlelight Vigil for Anika Slickianna 1000 who passed away tragically last week. As tears flow, many took the time to remember the good memories that they shared with her. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and when we return, we'll have the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Last night, family and friends of social media influencer Anika Slickianna 1000 were overcome with sorrow as they mourned her passing at her Candlelight Vigil held in New Kingston. Thousand decomposing body was retrieved from the sea in Reading in Montego Bay, St. James around 9:30 a.m. last Friday. The police said that her body was discovered by persons who went to use the beach. The police has named 33-year-old Rashawn Patterson of Prospect District in Hanover as a person of interest. The police had given Patterson up until 5 p.m. on Saturday to turn himself in to the police. However, up until now, the police have not provided a statement to state that the individual had done what was stated. The police are still continuing a search for this individual and have so far not listed any other person of interest within the case. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.